TabTech is the revolutionary adhesive tape solution that saves companies time and money. In this video we're going to show you a side-by-side comparison of how TabTech outperforms the industry-leading adhesive tape solution for joining components. Here we have an automotive component that requires bonding to another surface with double-sided tape. On the left is the joining process using a conventional double-sided tape setup, and on the right is the same component joined using TabTech. While both processes start in a similar way, TabTech comes into its own the moment the tape needs to be cut. You can see the technician needs to pick up scissors to cut the tape to the desired length. Because TabTech is pre-cut to our client's specified length, the technician just needs to tear the perforation and they can move on. When it comes to removing the backing strip, in the demonstration on the left, the technician has to now use a knife to separate the tape end from the backing strip before the strip can be removed. With TabTech, the unique design automatically leaves a tear strip when the length is removed from the roll, so the technician can easily grab this and remove the backing strip. In a typical industrial setting where this application is used over 1,000 times in a working day, TabTech saves around 7 seconds per component application. Multiply that by 1,000 and that translates to a time saving of over 2 working hours per day. More importantly, when taping this component example using the TabTech format, it would increase production output by over 23% in the normal working day. Or rather, expressed in component output, an extra 304 finished parts would be possible. All from a product that is delivering outstanding technical performance every time. TabTech is already saving thousands of pounds for many industrial clients who rely on double-sided tape solutions for their operations. To find out how TabTech can help your production process, get in touch today.